Man, this is gonna be exciting. Today I'm gonna try something that I have never done before, which is building my first keyboard. And I want to say thank you Kinetic Labs for sending all this to me. And even though this is sent by them, and I'm free to say whatever I want to say. So right now, let's take a look what we have here. It's like opening a pack of cigarettes. There you go. Man, this packaging is really premium. Let's take a look of it. Okay, got a foam protection. So I believe this is the PE foam. That's the gasket, and that's our cable, power connections and all that. And this is our PCB, and some more foams in here. And here are some tapes of foam. I think that's for between the keyboard. And down here, it's gonna be the keyboard. Oh man, look at this color. Damn, this is premium. And this is just a USB-C and USB-A cable. Nothing fancy, just a cable. Let's bring up this guy right here. Oh, nice. Aluminum. And it's very well built. I can feel the quality right in my hand. Very smooth, very solid, and very nice color. Look at this. Also got a gold logo right here. Looking really nice. So that's our keyboard. Let's take a look at our keycaps. So this is all the keys. The letters, enters, just the normal keys right here. And we have the function keys and the small number pad keys. And also a keycap puller. And next is all the customized keys. And it looks super cute. And then we have another set of numbers and other functions and all that. So this is gonna be a lot of customizations. Let me just grab out one key. It's made of PBT materials, very good quality, seems really good. I can't wait to put them out right now. What else we have? Oh, the cable. So we picked the purple one, and it looks really nice. Really well built. So we're just gonna plug in this side right here and then screw it tight, and it's ready for our keyboard. So let's put this guy to the side for now. So we got 70 pieces. A little cute penguin. So let's check out the switches. Yeah, you got the light looped. This is how it sounds when it's naked. Alright, I'm telling you, this color match, it's perfect. So we got a matte blue keyboard base. We got a candy cap keycaps that have blue, yellow, purple, green. And also our switches is blue too. And the cable is purple. So everything matches. This is gonna be a really nice setup. So here it comes. My first time building a keyboard. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so let's start with the stabilizer. Before installing them, make sure the wire is all balanced out. There's no bent or no anything like that. Otherwise, it won't cause stabilizers. So all these wires are good. And now we need to loop all this little part right here. So just get a good amount of loop and put in here, pretty much everywhere. The other side, the little clip. So the holes too. And then we just put in these into the housing right here. And then put this guy aside. And I see there's a many way to loop it. Some people just use the brush and brush the side. I think dip in there is more easier and efficient. So let me just dip in there like this. And then do the other side as well. And now I can just insert these into the housing right here. Press it in, and now do the other housing too. There we go. This is our first stabilizer for the spacebar. And I'll do for the other four. And they look nice and oily. Oh my god. This is first time I'm actually touching a PCB. Oh, it feels really nice, really decent. We got RGB lights. This is another foam. I believe it goes on the PCB right here, which is really good quality, really soft. That's on top of here, and then goes on the stabilizers. I think these are really important to be installed. It's pretty hard if you have a shaking hand like me. Dude, stop shaking, my Jesus. And then we're gonna install the stabilizer right now. You see a little tap that goes to the bigger hose, kind of washer. Put in there. You wanna make sure it's tight, not wobbly, but Also, you want to make sure it's not so tight. You don't want to damage the PCB. So after our 4 stabilizer got installed, just check them, see if they're all really nice and tight. And then we're good to go for the next step. And then we can put on this PE foam. Actually, I think I just made a mistake. We need to put on this foam first, and then we screw in the stabilizers. I also read about that too. Many beginners make this mistake, so I'm one too. And also another tip, when we put on the PE foam, we want to make sure all the holes are lined up with those connections for the switches. We're gonna put in this guy on top of here. Looking really nice. Let's open this case right here. So just 8 screws right here. You can use the little wrench provided, or you can use some other tools. Right, now we should be able to separate the cases. Flip over, the case is open. And now we want to get a dust can to remove any metal particles. And now we can actually connect the USB Type-C port first. So we just gotta connect the one side, right? Make sure it's fully inserted, and then screw back the screws. And now we can actually connect it to the PCB. You want to make sure the cable is in that little tray. And I think another mistake I just made, we need to apply these guys first in between the base and the top. And also we do have some extra left. And now let's put back the plate, and then, oh, another mistake just made. We forgot to put this guy on the bottom of the PCB. So let's take everything out. Put on this bad boy. Get in there. Nice. Really nice. I got it. I put this guy back here. You know, we learn from mistakes, right? First time doing anything, you're gonna make tons of mistakes. But you learn it and you share it to the community, so other people will make the same mistake. Nice and solid. Almost done, almost done. So these, I applied it, all the foams are in there, and then I can close it, right? Yes, I can close it. So now I just need to flip it over. Please don't fall apart on me. There we go. Hey. And then I just need to screw back all the screws right here. And our next step, applying this rubber feedy. And it will be not slippery, and also it won't be scratch our beautiful base right here. Put in there. All right. Now I can flip over. Shake it. There's no wobbly sound. No parts are moving. That's good. That means we did a good job. We did a good job right here. This is nice. So this is gasket. And now installing the switches and the keycaps is gonna be pretty easy. Just like that. And now we are gonna install all the keycaps just like that. And I'm telling you guys, this thing is beautiful. Look at this. Is it beautiful? This is really like how it names the candy shop. This is so colorful. Look at these. I really like it. And plus this USB Type-C cable. Look at, man, this is nice. And the typing sound is beautiful. I can't say any other word. It is beautiful. Let me give you a close sound test right now. I hope everything I did here can speed up your process of building your first keyboard.